My name is DIAS, and I'm the Director for Biodiversity Conservation section within the Biodiversity Conservation and Management Division within the Environment Department. So our section is one of the main partners here today, and we are present with some of the exhibits that we usually work with. So we are very keen on protecting the environment, especially working with threatened species. And so we do a lot of education and awareness activities to raise awareness on the importance of the environment, but also the importance of protecting species that are threatened from extinction. So we work day to day and 24/7 to ensure that the public respects the environment and respects the different policies and legislations that have been put in place. For example, we have legislation protecting species habitats, the species themselves. We have protected area policies and legislation, and we have also legislation that protects species from unsustainable trade and poaching as well. So we do a lot of anti-poaching activities, for example, protecting species such as sea turtles, because we are very concerned that to date there are a lot of people still eating sea turtle, and not even just eating them but killing them in inhumane ways. And we are very concerned because we do raise a lot of awareness on the sensitivity of these ecosystems and these species. We get people that are concerned and want to help the ministry in our battle against poaching activities, but there's still a group of people, especially the older generation, that have always consumed sea turtle. So it's still a bit of a challenge to work with them, but nevertheless, although we are quite a small team, we remain committed, and we will always fight for our species, because unlike people, they do not have a voice to speak for them. And we take these opportunities to participate in different events, national and international. For example, we are very active in CBD negotiations. So for example, the Convention for Biological Diversity. We are very active in negotiations for the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species as well. And so we always voice out the concerns of large ocean states like Seychelles. We always voice out that we do need the necessary resources. We lack the capacity sometimes. We lack the resources, financial, human. So these are the sorts of things that we fight for, and we hope that with the support of many of our partners, national and international, we get these commitments and support that we need to be able to do our work extremely well. Climate change is another issue that is affecting our biodiversity. We have invasive alien species, we have trade, which is a major issue right now. Habitat loss with a lot of development going on in the country. So our work is not getting any easier. Actually, it's getting quite hard as we see the years pass. And but nevertheless, like I said, we want to continue raising this awareness, bringing our job on the ground and explaining to people what we do every day, how our work benefits the whole country in general. Because if the environment collapses, and so does the other sectors such as education, agriculture, fisheries, so they depend on us and we depend on them. So we hope that we continue to work together, because we won't be able to preserve this pristine environment if everybody is working for themselves. So private sectors, NGOs, government, individuals in the community, we need to work together, because in the end we want to protect this treasure for our future generation.